2010 Cobalt. The Chevy Cobalt has awesome fuel economy, smooth ride, quiet cabin, and excellent performance, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, front, FWD, power windows, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, trip computer, daytime running lights, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, power mirrors, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.